Hi guys, good evening. Ayun guys, nakapagluto tayo guys. Yun ang chop suey a la pearl. Ayun, as you can see, very yummy. Yummy. Kainin na guys. Sinahugan ko guys ng atay ng baboy para may iron source tayo at para sa bata din. Kung kailangan ng iron ng mga kids, ayan, sa gulay. And then sa atay ng baboy. And then sa shiitake mushroom ako kuha. Okay, so yun guys. Luto na to guys. Nag-live ako kanina. If you want to see the full video, please visit my YouTube channel. I have shared with you my recipe and at the same time, the cooking tutorial of making chop suey a la pearl. Okay, so bye guys. God bless. Please don't forget to like and follow and share and like and subscribe if you're watching this in my YouTube channel. Bye and God bless.